What's going on, family? It's your man Miami Patron back for another video. I am in a brand new location. It's been a minute since I made a video, guys. I'm so excited that you guys have been here from the jump. And if you guys look, we're at a beautiful brand new location. I'm with my boys right here. They're in the pool with Roman, and we are in Tulum. We're at this beautiful villa right on the beach side. You guys gotta check that out. So here's the plan for today. I got my man Roman right now. Y'all remember Roman Crystal from the jump? Remember when I was doing Amazon drop shipping? He was the guy that taught me how to do Amazon. We met at a Starbucks. He taught me what to do and did $13,000 in sales in a week. Guys, let me tell you, Roman's results during quarantine have been phenomenal. 21 years old, out here doing something amazing, guys. So here's what we're talking about today. 2020 vision, 2020 results in 2020, guys. A lot of people say cancel 2020. Nah, that's not what's happening today. He's having success, I'm having success, Bob Proctor's having success, our clients are having successes, and it all comes down to the mindset. So my man Roman, why don't you go ahead and take this camera, get a little comfortable with it, and tell the family how the results have been for you over the last couple months here. Hold that up.
It's getting a little tired. What's up, guys? So I run a company called Empire E-commerce, and what we do is we manage Amazon stores A to Z, basically for our investors, for our clients. And we have about 110 clients right now. And basically what we do is we just run the Amazon stores, we find products to sell, we fulfill all the orders, we deal with all the customer service. And then on top of that, we also have a coaching program as well, where we teach people, like I taught DeAndre back in January, how to sell on Amazon, basically drop shipping. We do a lot of FBA, wholesale, and private label. And yeah, so this year, even with COVID, it's been pretty wild because we've just been able to scale pretty tremendously in terms of getting new clients, skyrocketing sales on Amazon.com. And it's mainly just because everyone's shopping online now. So it's been a huge switch and change in my business personally, and with all my clients' stores as well.
Definitely. Let me take that. Let me ask you a couple questions here. So coming into 2020, a lot of people said, all right, coronavirus is happening, people are losing their jobs, people don't have money, but myself and Roman included said, you know what, because of this situation, people are wanting to invest, people are wanting to go out there and make more money on the side, and because of that. So Roman, coming into 2020, because a lot of my followers, a lot of my subscribers already know how my journey was and what my mindset was as far as consulting with Bob. What was your mindset coming into quarantine, coming into people losing their jobs in the economy, but yet having tremendous success? What was your mindset coming into this?
Honestly, I didn't really change too much before. Like, COVID hit in about February, March, end of February, and I was pretty much just grinding every day on my business, didn't do really anything else, cut out all the BS that I didn't need, everything that didn't help me or my business I wasn't partaking in, and it was just full focus. And then when Corona hit, it just ramped everything up even more, and that's when everything started taking off. So it was just more full throttle, full focus in my business, and that's basically how I've been able to scale really quickly.
Definitely. Hopefully you guys can overhear us over the wind. Yeah. But guess what? If it's good, it's good. We do it in one shot. But guys, let me tell you this. It's the paradigm. One thing about Roman was actually my first client, guys. Roman was my first client when I was so excited about Bob. I was like, yo, Bob Proctor and paradigms and this, and I told him about the program. He actually became my very first client. So that was, man, I still have it on record. I think it was back in February. So guys, so many things have changed. He had a lot of success, I have a lot of success, but it came down to this, guys. It doesn't matter what industry. You could be in network marketing. My clients in network marketing are taking off. My clients doing consulting are taking off. Amazon, it doesn't matter what you touch on. Here's the foundations of success. People don't have business problems. They have personal problems that reflect in their business. Okay, so if your business isn't where it's at, it's because your mind, yourself, you're not where you're supposed to be. You have to act and become the person that you want, so you can begin attracting the people, situations, and circumstances to grow your business. Your business is a reflection of the thoughts you're holding in your mind. Right? It's your thinking, you hear this, but let me tell you this. One thing I learned from Bob Proctor is this. We become what we think about. You think about money, you think about success, you will attract success. You think about earning 100K a month, boom, in 45 days you start earning 100K a month. So it literally comes down to this. So let me ask you a question as we wrap up, and we're gonna go down to the cabanas right now, have a great time here in Tulum. I'm gonna leave you with this question. Who's the person you wanna become? Who's the person that you want to become that has the business that you want? What is your goal? Where are you going towards? What is your GPS? Why do you get up in the morning? What does your business look like? What do you want it to look like a year from now? How many employees? What is your income level? What is it that you want? Now, I urge you to create an image of what you look like. Who is the person you need to become when you reach that? And watch how the law of attraction begins to move in your life, like it did for Roman, like it did for me, like it does for Bob Proctor and all of our clients. So my man Roman and myself signing out from beautiful Tulum, Mexico. We'll see you guys next time.